Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to class. Lately, we've been learning about triangles. Okay, remember a triangle has three sides, three angles, three vertex. A triangle always equals 180 degrees. Okay, this is all pretty much review. We also covered different types of triangles: right, acute, obtuse, equilateral, equiangular, scalene, isosceles. All these type of triangles we've covered in the past videos. Today we're still going to work with triangles. The only difference today is, today we're actually going to solve for the triangle. Meaning, all we need to do is solve, make sure it equals 180. Okay, so we have to find a side. So for example, if we have a triangle, okay, here's our triangle. Our triangle is labeled A, B, and C. Okay, remember it has three vertex, three sides in order to be a triangle. The way you set it up is angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degrees. Okay, so we have angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degrees, because that's what a triangle is, 180 degrees. I'm going to put measures in here. Okay, the measures are, we have a 25 on B, and then we have a 65 on A. All we're doing is we're going to solve for angle C. If we're looking for that third angle, remember, we can set it up this way. All we have to do is plug it in. So we know that angle A is 65, plus we know that angle B is also given to us, which is 25. 25 plus angle C equals 180 degrees. So if we're finding for that angle C, we have to combine our like terms first. Notice that we have 65 and 25. Before we move anything, we can combine them here and now. We have 65 plus 25 is 90, right? Plus angle C equals 180 degrees. Now that we have that, we know that we have to get rid of the 90. In order to get rid of the 90 and leave C alone, we have to move it to the other side. So the opposite of positive 90 is negative 90, right? Negative 90. The same on both sides, because remember, of a scale, whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other, because if you don't, the scale unbalances, okay? So it cancels out. So we're left with angle C equals 180 minus 90, which is 90. So we know that angle C equals 90 degrees. And that's it. That's all we're doing today. Just solving for an angle, okay? Simple, right? All right, make sure you write everything down on your notes. All right, now that you have everything on your notes, I'm going to give you a few problems to work by yourself as your assignment. Remember, as soon as you're done watching the video, submit your answers. All right, guys, so here's your assignment for today. Your first one is A, B, and C. We have that little square there. Hint, hint. You guys remember what that square means or equals? Then we have 62. So we're going to solve for C. That's what we're trying to solve for. Okay? Then we have another one. Alright, so we have the first one, which is, remember, the angle, the little triangle, equals 90 degrees, right? So we have 90 plus 62. Remember, solving for C, okay? Remember, a triangle equals 180, right? And then we have the second one. Notice that I have a little line on both of these angles. If you guys remember from the previous concept, the angle tells you that they are the same, right? So angle A is 60 degrees. That means that angle B is also 60 degrees. So hint, hint. Solve for C. Make sure you submit your answers again once you're done watching the video, and I'll be waiting for your email.